Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in Omaha, Nebraska today. This is the North Omaha off of 99th Street Walmart. We're gonna do our first charging at a Walmart charger here. They've got the NACS connectors. So we're gonna just walk you through the quick process of how you use your Walmart app to connect and pay. So stick with us. You can see that on the screen there. I don't know if you can. There we go. Plug in to get started. Use your Walmart app. Super expensive, not excited about that. 46 cents a kilowatt hour, so more than a Tesla charger. But we're gonna go ahead and plug this in and then open up our Walmart app. So let's do that. Plugged in. Start charging with the Walmart app. So I have to initiate charging with my app. Okay. Ooh, what's that? Charging station. That said something from Tesla. Let's see what it says. Authentication required. See station instructions. So yeah, we don't want that. Back to our app. So we need to scan the code. So we're going to do that, and we're going to scan that barcode right there. All right, welcome to EV charging. Okay. Got it. All right, we already got our card in there. It just says start charging, so let's do it. Payment authorizing. Sorry if it's hard to see. I should have recorded the screen on my iPhone when I did this, but I didn't. We're doing the video. Charging started there, guys. So we're at 16%. We got charge details. Where are we at? 47, 95, 150. So it looks like we're capping out about 150 kilowatts in speed. So not quite as fast as Tesla charger. Usually I can get quicker than that, especially when I'm at 16% state of charge. So. All right, guys, it took 27 minutes for 51 kilowatt hours, 23 bucks. Went from 16% to 74%. We're gonna stop the charging now. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for charging with the Walmart. They have the CCS charger and the NACS, so they got both for you. So, and we usually stop at this Walmart when I'm down here, so this will work out good. We can go do some shopping while we let it charge. So if you guys have any questions for me on this, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.